Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk through how to hide your phone number on Telegram so it stays completely private. Whether you're chatting with friends, joining public groups, or using Telegram for work, keeping your phone number hidden is one of the best ways to protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once it's open, look toward the top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, it might look like 3 horizontal lines or simply your profile picture. This will open the main menu, where you can access your account settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. From there, choose the option called Privacy and Security. This is where you can control who sees your information, from your online status to your phone number. Now, look for the section labeled Phone Number and tap on it. You'll see 3 choices appear: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To make your number completely private, select Nobody. After selecting Nobody, Telegram will ask who can find you using your phone number. You can decide whether to allow your contacts to find you or restrict it entirely. If you want maximum privacy, choose the option that prevents anyone from searching for you by number. Once you've made your selection, simply go back or close the page. Your choice saves automatically. From that point on, your phone number will stay hidden from everyone on Telegram, even in shared groups or channels, and that's it. Your number is now private. This small but powerful setting keeps your personal information safe and gives you more control over your online identity. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a big difference in keeping your chats secure. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too. Stay tuned for more fast and easy Telegram tips that help you stay private, safe, and in control of your digital space. Thanks for watching.